Well, hey everybody, Leslie here. Well, here's the question. What do you do as a beginner paralegal when your best laid plans, I'll use a term that I like, go kaplooey, or they go awry, or they disintegrate, or it just doesn't go as you had hoped it would? I've had people email me many times about issues they've faced trying to get into the field. And I faced it too when I moved from Oklahoma to Florida. And I was at a desperate point to land a job. I frankly didn't care very much what I got paid. I figured once I got my foot in the door, I could work that salary up by staying for a year and then moving to another legal workplace. So, and I have a video about increasing my salary, which deals with that, okay, on the YouTube channel, Paralegal Career Mastermind. So here's a quote for you. When the caterpillar calls the end of the world, the master calls a butterfly, or what the caterpillar calls the end of the world, and goes into a cocoon. It emerges as a butterfly, correct? And your adaptability is highly important. Your bounce back quotient. Watch a video from earlier this week about bouncing back. So let's talk about, I think there are 5 different things here. Don't expect things to be easy as you go into this career. It's not that way. All of us started with 0 experience and we had to figure out how to get in without experience. When things are not going well for you, what you have to do is figure out how to up your game. But you also have to get yourself out of the environment, like go for a walk. Don't hole up in the house. Don't get in a downer mode. Just get out, walk somewhere and read something. Watch something funny so you laugh. You know, it's important to do that. That's number 2. Number 3 goes along with that. You have to adjust your perspective. You are going to get into this career, but you might have to adjust how you're doing it. Number 4, commit to running your race to the best of your ability. Are you lacking in skills? Do you need to add some things? Make sure you go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com, my website. And why haven't you downloaded the playbook yet? It's free. So ask yourself, why am I not downloading it? You know, you have to sign up for it, but download it. There's a whole area that teaches you how to research paralegal duties, but learn how to perform some of those. And the last one is be an inspiration. Have a great day.